You know I'm socially awkward and I can't do stuff like this.
Is the only luck you've had for way too long. But I am here to warn you that it soon will all be gone. Good luck's coming into town and it's got your name on it. Soon you will be celebrating, cause this is good as you can get. You better get ready, it won't be late. Tonight you got yourself a very special day. You cannot fight it, you gotta have fun, cause good times don't take no more than answer from anyone. Good times are out to get you. Good times are gonna get you. So just sit back and relax and put a smile on your face, cause good times are out to get you and they're picking up the pace. If they're sneaking up on you or you were feeling sorry for yourself, but it will pass you by if you don't ask it for some help. It's all related, so simply said, you gotta get out all those bad vibes out of your head. So contagious, it's spreading fast. It's giving you much more than just a second chance. Good times are here for you. Good times are here for you. Good times. Good times are here for you. Good times are here for you. Good times are gonna get you. Good times are out to get you. Good times are gonna get you. Good times are out to get you. Good times are gonna get you.
Told you 1,000 times, don't drink milk out of the carton can.